Role Play 32, discussion about traveling by air.
Huda is a student. Once Huda wants to travel to Goa by flight, she is excited and wants to tell her maternal uncle about this. They both talk as follows.
Hello, Uncle. I am going to Goa after tomorrow.
Wow, sounds good.
Thank you.
Welcome. How will you travel?
What do you mean?
I mean, by your own car, by taxi, by train, or by aeroplane?
I will travel by aeroplane.
Why are you not going by train?
Traveling by aeroplane is comfortable and fast as well. I can reach there in 4 hours, but the train will take 8 hours.
Yes, it is. Is this the first time?
Yes, and I do not know where should I book the ticket.
It is very simple. You can book at the airline's office or any travel agency, or then you can book by yourself.
Okay, I will go to a travel agency.
That is good.
Huda reaches the travel agency and talks with the man as follows.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I am fine.
Good.
Thank you. I want to go to Goa by aeroplane.
What time do you want to travel?
Firstly, tell me, is there any direct flight to Goa?
Yes, there are 2 flights. First at 1 p.m. and the second one at 5:30 p.m.
That is good. How much is the one-way fare?
4,000 INR.
Does it include the return ticket as well?
No, this is one side ticket only.
Please tell me the price for both sides.
It will cost 7,000 INR with a discount.
Okay, please book a seat for me.
On which date and time?
On the 12th of April at 1 p.m.
In which class do you want the ticket?
I want to travel by economy class.
Okay, here I booked your ticket.
Thank you.
Any other services for me?
Yes, I have to ask you some questions.
Yes, please.
How much free baggage is allowed for a passenger?
30 kilograms.
Okay, the time of my flight is 1 p.m., so when should I reach the airport?
You have to reach at 11 a.m., 2 hours before your flight.
May I know my flight? No.
Yes, your flight is AJB 2365.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Huda reaches the airport. She enters the airport and goes to the ticket counter. She asks for the ticket and the discussion goes as follows.
Hello.
Hello.
Please give me my ticket.
Yes, please show me your iCard.
Here is my ID card.
Thank you.
No problem.
I am sorry, we have to check your baggage.
No problem.
Put your baggage here. I am sorry, you cannot travel with the charger bank.
No problem, we can take it out.
Thank you, okay. Now you can go on the airplane.
Huda takes the ticket and goes to the flight entry gates. She and the ticket checker talk as follows.
Hello, sir. Where is your ticket?
Here it is.
Okay, thank you. Now you can go and take your seat.
What is my seat? No.
Yes, your seat number is A32.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Now you can go and take your seat.
And now the air hostess welcomes the passengers.
Hello and welcome. My name is Zuli. Today our pilots will be Mr. Sham and Mr. Shahid. Today our team will be at your service throughout the journey. Please fasten your seatbelt. Now we are going to take off. We wish all of you a happy and safe journey. Thank you for traveling by Qatar Airways.